cheers and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and I put out beauty related videos once a week. Today's video is just going to be a super simple classic fall makeup tutorial. I have been obsessed with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie No. 2 palette, and this just screams fall to me. Like, everything in here is just so beautiful, and I will talk about this in my favorites video, and I'm not sure if this video is going up first or my favorites is going up first, but I am really enjoying this palette, and this eye look, you know, it just screams fall to me, and I've been loving it so much. So I figured I'd give you one more tutorial, and then I'm gonna probably move on from doing any more videos on my channel using this palette, but I've just really been enjoying this particular formula and these shades so much. Like, anytime I sit down and just pick out whatever it is that I want to use, like, I've just been in love. But like I said, I'll talk about that in my favorites video. I don't wanna have such a super long intro or anything crazy like that. So that's it. That's all I've got to say. Let's just get right into this. Yes.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight, coisa só. Navego, eu saio fumando. É coisa só.
And that's all I've got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed today's fall makeup tutorial. I want to do a couple more of these, later on this season, just because fall is my absolute favorite. Like everybody else on the planet, we all love fall. And I want to incorporate maybe some more drugstore palettes or something a little bit on the more affordable side. So let me know if you have any recommendations for affordable palettes, anything new or old, whatever. I'd love to see if I either have it or pick it up. So let me know, let your girl know. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye-bye.